Is coming, 16th of December to 14th, 15th of January is Margali, till 14th is Margali. What this means is, in terms of inertia in the northern hemisphere of the planet, this is a month where the inertia is at its highest. So Margali is coming, it's good this month, all of you who are here at least, from 16th of December onwards, or from now we can start, at least 20 minutes a day, or when you're walking, when you're doing work, No, to utter this sound, your mouth should be shut. Just as much as possible, because this is a reverberation which will bring a certain vibrance and dynamism to your energy system. If body rests, it's okay. But if your energy sleeps, you're rapidly moving towards death. Death does not mean how long you live. Who cares how long me or you live? How we live? Hello? How we live? The quality is important. Long, what does it matter? Whether you're 70, 80 or 90 or 160, what does it matter, I'm asking? Quality of life. How alive am I to everything in the universe? Has my aliveness reached its peak? Peak means… See, essentially it's about this. Life is about perception, what we perceive. Being totally alive means your antenna is fully on. Everything there is to be perceived is perceived. Then you die with the fulfillment of knowing life. You are full of static You know, sometimes your phone goes like this, hello, hello, hello. All you get is